94 Dodge Ram. It runs like crap at an idle. Really rich, burns your eyes. Heard it from everybody on the internet. They usually say it's the plenum gasket. It doesn't show any check engine light. I've changed all the throttle body sensors. I changed all the sensors. It'll barely idle. I think I figured out the problem. This is the EGR valve. Pretty sure there's supposed to be a plate that plugs this hole right here. And if you listen, I'm pretty sure I hear the plate flopping around. I can blow air in this end, it comes out this end. I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be closed all the time. I figured out it was that. I hooked a shop vac to the tailpipe and I turned it on. Well, it starts, all the valves should be in time to where they're not letting air back into the intake. So it shouldn't be any of the stuff with the heads, but there was still vacuum from the shop vac pulling through the intake. I could do that. Well, that's when I decided it might be the EGR, because the intake's super dirty, which is the same sign as a plenum gasket too. But I used the shop vac again, put it on the oil filler hole, plugged the breather. I don't know, I plugged the PVC too and put the shop vac on it, and there was nothing, no air pulling through here. That's how I checked for them two things without spending a fortune on, I don't know, too many parts. I already bought all the sensors for here and got a new cam chain. None of that was the problem. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm about 100% sure that's the problem with this truck. Why it runs like crap at an idle. You bring the RPMs up, it clears right up. It's at an idle, it runs like crap. So